Welcome to RK Tutorials. Solutions to Engineering Mechanics textbook by S. Timoshenko. In this tutorial, we will discuss problem set to 2.4 and problem number 2.48. On the string ACEDB are hung three equal weights Q symmetrically placed with respect to the vertical line through the midpoint E. Determine the value of the angles beta if the other angles are as shown in the figure. That means ACEDB is a string. For this string, three weights Q, Q and Q are attached at points C, E and D. Our interest is to find the angle made by this string beta. For that, let us draw the free body diagram at the points E, D and C. Let us take this is string 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4. Let us consider the various forces that are acting at E. There are three forces. First one is the self-weight acts downwards, Q. Second one, there is a string 1 attached at E. Hence, there is a string force acts along the string 1 and it is away from point. So, it is S1. And there is another string force acts at E along string 2 and it is away from point E. So, this is S2. Similarly, the free body diagram at D. The various forces are, the first force is the self-weight Q and two strings are attached at D, 1 and 3. So there is a string force acts in the string along the string and the magnitude is S1. There is a string force in the string 3 that is along the string and it is away from the point. Let the magnitude is S3. Extend the same concept if you draw the free body diagram at C. The various forces are, the first force is Q acts vertically downwards. Two strings 2 and 4 are connected at C. So there is a string force acts along the string S2 and it is away from the point C. And last force that is S4 acts along the string and it is away from the point. So this is S4. Let us analyze point by point. First, let us transfer the various forces acting at E onto the separate XY plane. Like this. This is the free body diagram of point E. Now I am transferred all these three forces onto the separate XY plane. Q is vertical, but S1 and S2 is an inclined force. Look at this. S1 is the string force acts along this line which makes an angle beta with the horizontal. And S2 is the force acts along this string which makes an angle beta with the horizontal. Hence, these values S1 makes an angle beta with the horizontal. S2 makes an angle beta with the horizontal. Similarly, transfer the forces at D onto the separate XY plane. Now I am drawing the free body diagram of the point D. Now I transferred all these three forces S1, Q and S3. Look at this. S1 makes an angle beta with the horizontal. That means this angle is beta. And S3 also makes an angle 60 with the horizontal. That means this angle becomes 60. So this is beta and that is 60. Similarly, if you can draw the free body diagram of point C, there are three forces. All three forces I transferred to separate XY plane. Now S2 makes an angle beta with the horizontal and S4 makes an angle 60 with the horizontal. Now let us analyze one by one. Our interest is only to find the angle beta. Hence, if you can analyze E and D, that is sufficient. So first I am analyzing E. Now I am resolving the forces S1 and S2 onto XY plane. Clearly we can see S1 makes an angle beta with the horizontal. S2 makes an angle beta with the horizontal. So first force is vertical, you need not to resolve. But S1, the horizontal component is S1 cos beta and vertical component is S1 sin beta. Similarly, if you resolve this S2 along x-axis and y-axis, one component of the force is like this, another component of force like this. This component is cos component and this component is sin component. Now we can see this component is S2 cos beta and the vertical component is S2 sin beta. Now let us use the equilibrium condition sigma Fx is equal to 0. If you use sigma Fx is equal to 0, there are only two forces. One force acts towards right side S1 cos beta. Another force acts towards left side, that is S2 cos beta. So that is S1 cos beta is equal to S2 cos beta. Then you can write the first equation, S1 is equal to S2. Similarly, if you use sigma Fy is equal to 0, there is one force acts downward direction, two force acts in the upward direction. Hence S1 sin beta plus S2 sin beta is equal to Q. But you know that S1 is equal to S2, you substitute here, then you will get 2 S1 sin beta is equal to Q, 2 sin beta. Now, let us consider the free body diagram at D. We have seen that there are three forces and all those three force directions also we discussed it. Now, if you resolve all the forces along x-axis and y-axis, Q is vertical, you need not to resolve. Now, S3 makes an angle 60 with the horizontal. Hence, the components of forces are like this, and horizontal component is S3 cos 60 and the vertical component is S3 sin 60. And what about this S1? S1 you can resolve like this and like this. The horizontal component is S1 cos beta and the vertical component is downwards, and that is S1 sin beta. Let us use the equilibrium equation sigma Fx is equal to 0. There are two forces and both forces are opposite to each other, and hence the equilibrium condition S3 cos 60 is equal to S1 cos beta. But we know cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So S3 into 1 by 2 is equal to S1, we got Q by 2 sin beta. So I am just substituting this Q by 2 sin beta into cos beta. Or upon simplification, you will get S3 is equal to Q into cot beta. Similarly, consider sigma Fy is equal to 0. There are three forces. Two force acts downwards, one force is acts upward direction. So you can say S3 sin 60 is equal to Q plus S1 sin beta. And you know that S3 is equal to Q cot beta, that you can substitute here. And S1 is equal to Q by 2 sin beta, that also you can substitute here. Upon substituting, you will get Q into cot beta, and sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to S1 means Q by 2 sin beta into sin beta. So sin beta gets cancelled. You will be left with Q by 2 plus Q. Further, you can simplify this. Root 3 by 2 into Q into cot beta is equal to 3Q by 2. So Q gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. And this can be left with cot B is equal to root 3. And you can find the value of beta. Beta is equal to 30 degrees, which is the answer for the given